What's up, guys? This is Alex coming at you live at 7:50 p.m. June 6, 2016. I spent a few hours putting together this little video recap of the market alerts that I sent out today in Winning Trades for You chat platform. Everyone that was in the platform, it was a great day, great conversations, great collaboration, and this is why I created it and love it. And I appreciate all of you who are in it. I really do, and I really look forward to the future. You know, great testimonials, great success, and I'm really looking forward to what is to come, especially with the release of the personalized app for Android or iOS, as well as PC, Mac, alert and chat platform, as well as many other functions that will be able to help you. I'll tell you, it's revolutionary. There's nothing really out there, and you know, I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll get to how to get locked in on that for a 1-month free trial. It's a great opportunity, and you know, I have great sights for the future for this entire platform. But let's get down to the video. Let's look at the trading alerts that I had today. Great Monday. Great ability to look at the market signals, look at the resistance lines, the support lines, as well as, you know, use those for day trading. I'm a penny stock trader by heart. I love riding the volatility, riding you know, the trend lines, and then looking at the market signals that correlate to those, you know, moves. So right out of the gate today, at 9:52, I got a little late to the market. I was taking my Husky out on the run, but about 9:52, I bought 6K shares of VBLT. Now this chart won't show that the information from prior, but I'm able to pull up the information in this chart here that I kind of cropped out for you to see. Now you see that it broke upon that resistance line in 9:52. Where's that baby at? And then it was able to spike up even more, and I thought it was gonna crack up even more, but it had some consolidation, some profit earnings from the weekends, and it was able to recover from that drop. So getting down to what the heck's going on. What happened? 9:52, I bought 6K shares, 636, double bottom, which was great right here. Nice little double bottom. You know, 635 support. So from that, I'm able to ride up. Sold about here. Actually, I sold like right here. You know, thinking it was going to drop down to this level again, but it didn't. It actually held its support line here at what is that? I would say 660, but I was able to call that alert and then ride it. It actually grew to 758, which is a big, nice profit gain right out of the gates. And then from there, we're able to ride it up. And I did buy even more at 683. At what is that? 252 off the rally support, and I was able to sell off right about 683 today. I have to look at my, let me see my portfolio over here. It's 683. So that was nice. That was I didn't really make any money on this last trade, but it was very substantial. Now, what was nice about this is the large position I took at the beginning. It was great because the let's see here. It was great because the ability to just gain from small buys along the way. So you're able to ride all the support and gain from that. The second chart here is GSAT, another winning trade at 10:02, and I bought at 112, about 113, with a price target of 120, which I set an order limit fill for, and I sent that alert out. Guess what? Was at 120. It was a nice resistance level that I saw, and able to profit a nice 8.5 cents, or 7.5 cents, sorry guys. And you know, that's right out of the gates. So what is that? 1, 2, 3. This one was my loser, guys. I counted this as my loser. So if this wasn't a loser trade, you know, it would be 10 for 10. But I like to be transparent as I can be, and that's a 9 for 10 success rate. So 90% today. So GSAT, JVA, about 1033. It was a buy-in at 464, saw it break this resistance, and a price target of 520, which still stands. I still have it in my portfolio. But you'll see that this support was broken near end of day. So if we close up on that, you'll see that it was a nice rally into the close. Great signal for tomorrow's open. Now we go back out a little bit. You see that 464, it's like 485 right now, dropped a little bit after hours from the weekends, and was able to have a nice price action today, so that's another winning trade. Let's go down to CLF. CLF, as many of you have followed me in the platform, I have profited big off CLF in the past week, if not 2 weeks, just playing the price act, playing the support trend levels, and they're pretty apparent in you know, what they're gonna do. So if we look at this chart, we have 304 I bought in near end of day when it broke the resistance level from this morning. So the high of day, it broke that and broke into the 5s. So I'm looking for that tomorrow, still in the portfolio and still looking pretty bullish. I'm expecting a pretty good spike tomorrow, and you'll probably see it in my watch list tonight. It was on my watch list. It was on my watch list today, and I'm looking at my whiteboard. And I did buy it $4.25 for $4. It really did not even reach that. I thought it was going to break down way more. As you can see, it started to, and then it started to rise and pretty much held that support level and just kept breaking out. So you know what, if I call a watch list item and if it is way lower than what it actually breaks from, great, I call that a winning trade. Now we go off into HMNY. This chart's this was the most ridiculous supernova I have seen in my entire life. Almost $1, $1.20 open to $10 today. That's almost 1,000, you know, or yeah, 1,000%. So hey, anyone who held at 120 bought in down here, I give you major props and major acquisition, because you're probably driving a Bentley now. So enjoy the Bentley. Well, I took my first short in the past 2 months. I haven't been shorting today, but S&P 500, as you can go look at the news, it broke resistance and new highs today at the end of the trading period. And if we go look at my trades for today, what the hell is going on? There we go. I took a short position at 1226. I saw it was breaking down, consolidating here, and you know, the 520 it wasn't even a major short. It was something that I saw occur. I thought it was just gonna break down all the way, but I took a nice safe short position, the 524, which I found from the long-term chart, and it hit that, filled, and I got a nice, whatever the price was at 1226, I think it was a 13-cent profit gain from there. So boom, you have that short trade. I haven't done an analysis on that, but it was a nice nice way to profit today, especially when a stock, this baby, it broke down. I was watching it, it broke down 40 cents in 1 second. I'm like, 40 cents, there's stocks out there that take 7-8 years to go 40 cents, you know, if that. So crazy volatility, great supernova today, and something that impressed me because this is support here. This is support from where I bought these 2 separate buys, and it was able to hold that support line going into the end of the day, which will give a nice indication of tomorrow. It might break up. I'm gonna be looking for it to gain to $10 again, because the spread's awesome, the volume's awesome, everything is. If this had a ticker, if it was long enough, it would be awesome, because it was a great day for HMNY. So that's top watch tomorrow, looking for $10 retest. But I also bought at 1257, price target of 730 plus. I saw it hit that support line here, which in a long-term chart it was able to elude, and it was at 650. And then I watched it to try to trend over the resistance, which is, what is that about? I think the resistance was 783 or something like that, because when you see a trend like that, especially when the spikes are so massive, you're going to have some credibility that other people see that, and it's just going to be some big buys in. I was scared of this today because the hedge funds that were coming in, like Goldman Sachs, I looked at the level 2s, and there was just massive buy orders and sell orders, and one sell order was able to break it down 40 cents. Now, when you see something like that, it's scary. It's scary to be in. It's scary to understand that you could lose 50% in a matter of 5-10 minutes, if not 100, 200, 300%. That's crazy. So then I bought it 155, as you can see, as it broke that resistance, and I wrote it up to I called out a nice price target. It's like I think $9. I'm not sure. Gonna have to ask my members in the $9.50, something like that. I think it was $9.50. But anyway, I'll have to look at that, and I think that is the end of the trading period. So you can just see these are all my trades. You know, if you want any clarification or proof, ask any of my traders. These are all my trades for today. It was a great day for my platform to understand that these support lines, these resistance lines are pretty apparent, and you just have to look for them. You have to do a lot of studying, guys. This past weekend, I spent about let's just say more time than I should have, about 24 hours studying, just studying. And when you am able to do that, you can profit big. So the reason for that is you guys get 24 hours to study to make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and it's all in your hands. It's all in your ability to make money by studying. The more time you spend studying, it's very simple. The more time you spend studying charts, studying trends, it is apparent that it will help you profit. There's those out there that I'm getting emails that we are going to prove you to be you know, you don't know your stuff, you're a scam, you whatever. Bring it on. Prove me wrong and prove me, because guess what? I've spent too much time studying. I know my stuff. I love stock trading and penny stocks, and it's something of a passion, and I want to help you guys understand it as well. It's not something that that's why I provide a free month. I'm charging, you know, under $20 for my entire platform, my alerts and functionality to use the platform in general. And there's people out there, I want you to find someone else that provides the same, especially when we are going to be providing you a personalized, amazing, revolutionary app coming out. I have a web developer that is working tirelessly to develop it. It will be released within the next month, and you'll see that it's going to help you immensely. It's going to just have collaboration like crazy. It's going to be able to have you understand from others the indications, the charts, the alerts, everything. I want to help you guys. I am here to help you guys. I guarantee you'll make a lot more in this platform than what I'm charging you. So I give you my word, and this is Alex from Winning Trades for You. I will have my watch list out there for you guys within the next by midnight tonight, if not a little later, and that is Eastern Standard Time. So if this video was able to help you, just give it a little like in YouTube, and I'll be seeing you guys soon for the collaboration tomorrow. See you guys later. Have a good one.